Okay, so before I continue, let me tell you a bit about Coca-Cola and who are we. We are the bottler of the Coca-Cola Company. We are the largest bottler in the world, and globally we operate in 31 countries, including Fiji, with 42,000 employees. Locally in PNG, we have a workforce of just over 540 employees, from which 23% are women. We have 2 production facilities, and they're based, the biggest in Lae, our headquarters, and of course here in Port Moresby. We have 4 distribution centers that covers our regions, and they're based in Hagen, Kokopo, Lae, and of course Port Moresby. And we have 15 sales centers. Without a doubt, our product reaches 22 provinces, and we are present in more than 80 districts, with NCD being our top sales volume district over the last couple of years. Until most recently, we've expanded our footprint into the Solomon Islands and have a 16th sales center there. So a bit about our brands. We make, move, and sell the world's most loved drinks based on great brands, great people, great service done sustainably to refresh our consumers and customers. So as you can see here, we have 9 iconic brands, ranging from our carbonated soft drinks, our energy drinks, our water, and our juice range. So please do visit our booth if you haven't to sample some of our products. When it comes to innovation, in CCEP, our focus areas is centered around people, processes, and systems. At CCEP, we understand that technology is not just a support function, it's a critical enabler of our strategic vision. Our primary focus is delivering world-class capabilities for our customers. This means leveraging technology to enhance every touch point, from planning, procurement, manufacturing, ordering to delivery, and beyond. We recognize that empowered employees lead to satisfied customers. We're committed to providing our team with the tools and technology they need to excel. This includes user-friendly applications, streamlined workflows, and collaborative platforms that foster efficiency and innovation. In today's dynamic market, transformation is essential. Our IT department plays a crucial role in helping CCEP adapt and thrive. We're embracing new technologies like AI and automation to optimize processes, improve agility, and drive sustainable growth. The first key enabling principle is technology. We maintain a robust CCEP-wide reference architecture to ensure consistency and cost effectiveness. This provides a solid foundation for our technology decisions and enables us to scale our solutions effectively. In organization, our people are at the heart of our strategy. We invest in training and development to ensure our teams has the skills and knowledge to succeed. We foster a collaborative environment where innovation thrives, and we value the contributions of every team member. When it comes to governance, we adhere to strong governance principles, ensuring that our technology decisions are deliberate, well-informed, and aligned with our strategic goals. This includes rigorous impact assessments, clear project prioritization, and robust decision-making frameworks. We work closely with the business to manage our risk profile, ensuring that our technology solutions are secure and compliant. This includes proactive risk identification, robust security measures, and adherence to relevant regulations. So how have we driven innovation? Before 2019, we faced challenges with standalone legacy systems that lacked integration. This resulted in inefficiencies and limited data insights. Our IT infrastructure, including servers and endpoints, was outdated, and business reporting was largely manual, hindering our ability to make timely, data-driven decisions. From 2019 to 2023, in 5 years, we embarked on a comprehensive transformation. Key initiatives included the implementation of our new enterprise resource planning called Microsoft Dynamics AX and Rome Next-Gen Software, our Salesforce automation tool, enabling greater integration and efficiency. We automated our business intelligence reporting through a data warehouse, upgraded our IT infrastructure, and implemented SuccessFactors to enhance our HR processes. We also focused on device refreshes and implemented Integrum software for occupational health and safety, demonstrating our commitment to employee well-being. Due to our focus and investment in IT, in 2014, we continued to build on this momentum by implementing Career Hub. This hub is our internal LinkedIn and enables global access to talent and jobs, as well as the ability to pick up short-term projects for specific skill development purposes. We also launched the Redline platform, which is our internal Facebook, to allow employees to share updates across our business, from trade market promotions and activation, to sharing training programs, supporting community events, and celebrating milestones. We also strengthened our IT infrastructure and introduced a cyber learning platform to ensure our team is equipped to handle evolving security threats. This new cyber learning platform is mandatory for all our online employees to participate on a monthly basis. On top of that, we continue to run mock phishing emails to all our users to ensure they remain vigilant when it comes to cyber threats. Those that fail the test are called upon to take a refresher course, and for repeat offenders, their access to mail, email, and internet is deactivated for a certain period of time until they complete all the refresher courses. So what are we doing in 2025 and beyond? Our flagship initiative is the ERP transition from Microsoft Dynamics 2012 to Microsoft Dynamics 365, Finance Operations. This is crucial as our current system reaches its end life. FinOps will provide us with a modern cloud-based platform for continuous improvement, enhanced data protection, and also features a world-class back-end operations. We're currently also upgrading our all CCP devices to Windows 11, ensuring our team has access to the latest operating system for enhanced productivity and security. Features like Windows Hello and Copilot will be available for those with compatible devices, offering a more seamless and secure user experience. We're committed to keeping the lights on by performing essential application upgrades like patches. Our focus on infrastructure and network improvements will minimize unplanned outages, ensure sufficient capacity, and strengthen our security posture, creating a stable and secure environment. We're also launching a unified learning platform that aligns with Eightfold and Career Hub, providing a single centralized resource for employee development. This platform will enable personalized learning journeys and provide team-level insights into learning progress. We're also redesigning our company support portal called Genie and implementing new functionalities to improve and support collaboration across human resources, finance, and commercial operations. This platform is our one-stop shop for everything an employee needs when they are with us. And finally, a topic that keeps me awake at night, we're enhancing our greenhouse gas reporting capabilities to accelerate our This Is Forward sustainability plan. Greenhouse gas reporting is an exciting tool that will enhance our capability to respond to regulation. It will also assist the business functions, like the one that sits under my role, to better inform on our internal decision-making. A bit about our network topology. To support our operations, we've established a robust network infrastructure essential for efficient communication and data flow. Our network is built around a central private business network, ensuring secure and reliable connectivity between our key locations, including Lae, Gordons, Badili, and Mount Hagen. As you can see, all 4 locations are a key part of this network, ensuring that our operations here are seamlessly connected to the rest of our sites. Each location also benefits from direct internet connections, enabling us to access global resources and communicate effectively. Productivity improvements have been made through the Roam Salesforce automation devices for our team ensuring that we capture all the information out on trade and inputting it into a data lake to review, analyze, and obtain market insights for better decision-making. We thrive on our speed to market focus to get our products to our consumers, including the Solomon Islands, within a short period of time. And to help us achieve this, we will be migrating our system to the cloud, commencing with our enterprise resource planning system, which will enable us to store and record more data longer, integrated into our wider global business for faster decision-making, information sharing, and visibility. With our digital innovation consistently evolving at CCEP, we continue to build and improve on our people processes. So innovation not only lies in the IT domain, but also building a strong workforce through innovation in our people policies. As part of a requirement when you become a CCEP P&G employee, it is given that you are given an email address, and even though if you work in a shop floor of our plant, or whether you're working in the corporate office, everyone is exposed to some form of digital training. In 2024, we introduced the carers leave that allows employees to take time off work to care for their immediate family, which includes spouse, children, and biological parents. We complemented the maternity leave and increased the paternity leave from 5 to 10 days. Our people policies are different to other companies, which we are extremely proud of. We support higher levels of gender representation through specific programs like the Female Accelerated and Empowerment Program, or known as the FACE program. This annual program is targeted at upcoming or new female leaders to develop and enhance their leadership skills, both professionally and personally. Another one is the Women Leadership Program, where 2 candidates selected each year to attend a week-long program at our Sydney office in Australia. This is a globally recognized leadership training initiative, known for its innovative and transformative approach, and to ultimately enhance their leadership potential and contribute to organizational success. At present, 32% of our managers in CCEP P&G are women. We have various online learning academies, such as the Sales Academy for our merchandisers, which we launched last year. We continue to grow our capabilities and opportunities in the supply chain space and have developed our very own planning academy, which can be accessed online. We also have affiliated to the Institute of Engineers in P&G to build professionalism for our engineers. Also, a first for us was our partnership with the Urban Youth Employment Program here in NCD and in Lae, whereby we provide short-term internship programs. This program has been a success for us, and we will be continuing that in the future. But our biggest success story is looking at innovative paths to upskill our refrigeration mechanics, or RefMex, as we see a large skills gap in the trade. In mid-2024, we embarked on establishing a trade testing to upskill our RefMex. We partnered with the National Apprenticeship Trade Testing Board to set up a trade testing center in P&G for our RefMex. This facility will be used to train and assess technical capabilities of individuals who wish to receive a trade assistant qualification in refrigeration in accordance with requirements under NATTB. I can proudly say we are the first company to set up a trade testing center for refrigerator mechanics in Papua New Guinea. On the 18th of December 2024, we launched the Trade Test Center in Lae. The pioneering partnership with NATTB is an investment to develop our staff, as well as positioning them for career growth prospects. The skills training strengthens individual and team performance, boosting expertise and fostering a more capable and confident workforce. What makes this a win-win for Papua New Guinea is that this center can be accessed by different companies that employ RefMex. This certainly reflects CCEP's commitment not only to provide employment opportunities, but to upskill Papua New Guineans.